this video, I am sharing a before and after makeover of my craft room studio. Let's check it out. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. I want to start off by introducing you to the star of the show, the Create Room Cubby. The Create Room Cubby is a modular organization and storage solution for small craft spaces. Right now, I'm about halfway through the makeover process. I just finished building my 2 cubbies. I'm so excited because they are modular and you can stack them. So I have 2 cubbies stacked, which are going to be perfect to hold all of my stickers, stamps, and paper craft supplies right in the cubbies. The cubby comes with 2 options for your storage system, the DiviDrawer system or the in-view totes. I opted for the DiviDrawer system because I loved this. Check it out. One end of the drawers is a solid white and the other end is clear. So if you want all your drawers to be clear or if you want to create a color end to them, you can do that, or if you want them to be solid, you have both options with the DiviDrawer system. I made a checklist of all the items I want to place in each drawer and wrote it all out so that it'll be easy to put together my new DiviDrawer storage system. This is how all my stickers were previously stored in craft carts from Michaels. Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to transform all of that and that stuff under my desk into a neat and organized storage system. I took out everything that I wanted to place in the Create Room cubbies, staged them out on the floor, and here you can see all of the things that are going to fit in the cubby. Now it's time for the fun part of loading up all those craft supplies into the cubby. Let's go. This part was super easy because I created a list and already had separated things into categories, so placing them into the drawers was super easy. Everything is off the floor and there's still space in the cubbies. I am honestly shocked that everything fit and I'm surprised there's actually extra room. The drawers, since they're so deep, there's space for a little extra in the back of the drawer. Here's my list of all the things that I just loaded up into the cubbies. The whole cubby storage system is completely modular, so you can switch out how you have all your drawers arranged. I am super impressed with the amount of supplies that I could fit in the cubbies. They also come with clear dividers that you can use in all of the different sizes of the drawers. This has all my stamping, like the clear stamps and acrylic blocks and a few of the stamp pads in it. And I added one of the dividers across the middle to separate those 2 sections. Isn't that awesome? So now when I'm doing stamping, I just take out this drawer and I'm all set. I have a few more things to do to finish off the makeover. We're going to make labels for these drawers, clean up the area around my desk, and then the final reveal. So let me tell you some of the options for adding labels to your cubby. The first one is this. They have a clear end and a solid end to every drawer. So if you use the clear end, you can take some cardstock paper, any design you want. You can print labels on them and you just slide it right into the front, and it comes with a clear divider that you place right behind it to hold this right into place. And you can put anything you want to label your drawers, which is amazing. Any color you want, any words, any design, anything. The other option is to keep it solid, which I wanted the solid drawers for my cubby. So I'm gonna keep them this way. But of course, I always have the option to change it. And with the solid side out, I'm going to want some labels on the drawers. So for that, my printer's dead right now, so I had to go with the label maker, and I'm going to try out some colored labels. So I have some pink and some lavender, and they look like this. And what do they say? Boxes, scissors. So like my box stickers are going to have a label, and my drawer with scissors will have a label, and it'll go just like that. So I had two different colors because all of these stickers that are in the sticker books are going to be lavender. So all of these will be lavender labels. All of these drawers, the flat drawers, will be pink labels because they're mostly supplies. It'll be so easy to find everything. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the labels on all the drawers, see how it looks, and I'll show you as soon as I'm done. Finally, the labels are on the boxes, and I have all of my sticker books labeled in lavender so that it's easy to tell what's in each drawer by the color coding and by the labels. I love it. So if you're like me, you probably want to know which categories I put things into. So I put like all the Disney stickers in a category, all of the box stickers, and anything that I felt like was in a boxes category, all of the Rongrong Happy Planner stickers, Rongrong Stickers and the Happy Planner Squad stickers, household and budget stickers, health, wellness, and fitness stickers, favorites, which are mostly all of like the social media, goal setting, biz babe, boss babe, those kind of things. Over here is florals, spring, and summer stickers. Down here we have colors, so like brights, pastels, rainbow. Over here is color story, basics, which is like productivity and some of the basic sticker books and some extras. Memory keeping, which is all the memory keeping. Washi tape strip books. This is all my other stickers that aren't Happy Planner stickers. So I have like the Planners Anonymous from Michaels and some other sticker books in there. Down here is all the micros, which are also full of stickers. This bottom drawer is seasonal, student, and teachers. This down here is all of our Happy Planner girls. This drawer is paper. This drawer is random extra stickers, big ones though. This drawer is Christmas, like for decorating Christmas cards. This drawer is all Mambi sticks and other Mambi stickers. This is the oversized sticker book drawer, so like the Live Love Posh sticker books and the Mega sticker books. Then we have florals, spring and summer. I think I showed you that one. Stamps, which is the acrylic stamps in this front section, and then like some stamp pads and the acrylic blocks in the back. Dashboards and bookmarks. Yes, it's an entire drawer of dashboards and bookmarks. Those are like my favorite item. If I could only pick one, it would be those. This is the embarrassing drawer. Discs. Yes, an entire drawer of discs, and the one on my desk. I went crazy. You know, one of my Joann stores was closing at some point, and yeah, I just kind of bought everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them all. This is sticky notes. I love sticky notes. So sticky notes are in this drawer. Those are extra ones. And scissors. And I have the partition in the scissors drawer because those are like scrapbook craft scissors in the back. These are my sticker scissors in the front, my box cutter, and then these handy dandy Fiskars scissors for, you know, everything. That's it. And everything fits, and there's actually like some extra room. It's amazing. I love it. So, what do you think? What would you put in your Create Room Cubby? Leave a comment down below and tell me how you would use yours. Click the affiliate link in the description box to head on over to Create Room's website. First, I want to show you the DreamBox really quick if you haven't seen it. It is this awesome craft room organizer. It will hold everything in your craft room, and it's totally customizable. And if you scroll down to the very bottom on their webpage, you can see all these testimonials of people who have purchased the DreamBox and how they're using it in their craft room. If you go back to the top and click Furniture and then click Cubby, I'll show you the Create Room Cubby. It comes in 4 different options, either gray or white, and with in-view totes, which are these clear organizers, or the white DiviDrawers that I showed you earlier, which look like this. So when you click on over to your shopping cart, make sure you use the code ThePlannerChannelCubby for $50 off your order. Okay, I cleaned up some of the area under my desk. The bottom box in the back there is all tech supplies. That is literally miscellaneous in that box. This section is up next. I want this to just be my card making supplies. So I have all these blank cards, blank note cards. I have another box over here. Everything I need for making Happy Meal cards. So now you can see that shelf. I have those 3 containers that fit perfectly with a little space, easy to get in and out. 2 boxes with my card supplies, 1 box of Happy Mail from all of you, which is so great. I love to have that. This shelf I'm going to leave as is. This is all my extra paper storage, and then this is all extra paper storage, but like half sheets. Next up for organizing is that mess. Let's get to it. So here's what I had in those bamboo trays, just a bunch of random stuff, and it's all in a pile to where I can't use it. So I'm just gonna organize some of this. Everything is organized. I love it so much. All of my tape is now in one place. All of my sticky notes and tape all together. Awesome. This is like extra pen refills, a bookmark. This is my planner charm that I never got built. So I have all these little charms and stuff. And then I always need hair ties when I'm sitting at my desk, and they're always not at my desk. So I wanted a place just for hair ties. All right, I'm gonna dust this area because it's probably dusty under there. So much better. Everyone has a junk drawer, right? Well, here's my junk drawer. So I need to go through this and clean out what I don't need and put things where they belong if I'm going to keep them and use them. So junk drawer time. I transformed this bottom drawer into a gift wrap drawer. So I just made a bag with all the like ribbon and bows and stuff. And then this section is all like bags and tissue paper. So super easy now to wrap a gift. All right, this area is next, the top of my desk. There's not much to, organize and figure out where to put things. I did reorganize my washi drawers, the second set. So all of the discs are in the top 2 drawers, and then I have 4 drawers of pens. And I just put this drawer is all my Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners. These are random different pens that I have. And then this drawer is Tombow's, and this drawer is Papermates. I wanted an easy to get to, easy to see, easy to find place for my pens. Other than, I actually like them best in mugs like this. So this is like frequently used things. I use these all the time. Like here's an eraser, highlighter, and then this large Disney mug is all Papermate flares and Papermate Inkjoy gels, which I use the most. And then I also wanted my big Tombow brush pens handy. So I took the lid off. I'm not sure where I'm going to store the lid. It's right here in the way also. So that needs to go somewhere. But I wanted this all to be easy, more easily accessible. So next up, organize this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wanted to share this fun hack with you. I found one of these old tape dispensers. Actually, I had a couple of them. And I took out the old empty tape and added in a washi tape. It's so cute. Isn't it the best? If you don't mind the little serrated edge, because it has a serrated edge, you can just grab out your washi tape and slide it right into here. Since it's the little removable one, it just slides open and you can just pop in a washi tape and use it right in the tape dispenser. I can't do it with my left hand, but you'll see, you just pop it in, slide it in there like that, and use it as a washi tape dispenser. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Okay, my cubby is all done. I have all my labels on it. I've organized all the junk in my desk and the extra storage drawers. I now have empty craft cards that I can actually use for projects. So excited about that. I have my super neon pink plan sign up here. This is one of my favorite things in the room. If you like the neon sign, you can get your own custom neon sign on Amazon. There's a link in the description box. It is awesome. I finally have a calendar hanging on the wall. The area under my desk is all organized. My pens are all now easily accessible and discs if I need them. And of course my giant Tombow pen collection. Here is another one of my favorite upgrades for my office. My honey built me a white desktop for part of the desk, which is so much better for filming planning videos. I am so happy with the way everything turned out. I love the Create Room Cubby. It is absolutely perfect for storing stickers and paper craft supplies. Awesome. Thank you so much to Create Room for sending me a cubby to try out and share with you. I absolutely love my craft room now, and I cannot wait to do the next project. If you have any questions about the Create Room Cubby or any of the other storage or organization ideas that you saw in this planner room, craft room makeover video, just leave your question in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. As always, check out the description box to this video to see all the details about everything shown here today and for an affiliate link to shop for the Craft Room Cubby or maybe even the DreamBox. This is what my craft room looked like before the makeover. I had stuff all over the floor. There was nowhere to put it. I had things in boxes. I had things in stacks. Planners and stickers were everywhere. Underneath my desk was just a big pile and I couldn't find anything. And on top of my desk wasn't much better. Now it's time for the big reveal. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!